And isn't that right that you have another Lexus?
Yeah, we don't talk about that one.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this 1996 LS400. My son, that guy right there.
Howdy.
Bought it Black Friday, right?
Mm-hmm.
How many miles did it have when you bought it?
145.
And what does it have on it now?
158, almost 159.
Nice. Nice. Let's take a look at it. Car Wizard said this is one of the best vehicles out there to buy. You paid $3,400 walking out the door with it?
Yep.
Awesome. Tell us about the engine.
This is a 1UZ FE. It's the first generation 1UZ. It makes around 240, horsepower.
Yep.
And
any complications with this thing so far?
A little bit here and there, just little minor hiccups such as like spark plugs, wires.
You had a
battery issues.
Yeah, it wasn't a battery, it was a post, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just old. That's the problem that you're coming across, right?
Right. I've done some brakes on it.
Has some custom wheels?
Yep.
Tell me about these bad wheels.
They're 18x9 Koenig SSNs, I believe.
Nice. And you work at Discount Tire, right?
Yep.
So
I'm running 245, 45, 18 Barhams. They're not the greatest tires, but they fit. Might as well run them.
They could burn notes. But this is what the 96 looks like. We'll take you guys for a spin in a little bit. There is some paint and peelage. Where did this car come from, Alan?
Originally it started his life in Illinois and then went down to Florida for a while and went back to Illinois somehow.
Nice. But it's a pretty straight car. She runs just like a Cadillac. Not like that one. Has a moonroof.
Yep.
The interior, the guy that owned it previously, he was a chunky monkey, wasn't he, Alan?
Something like that, I think so.
A big old fat banker. So that seat's kind of that one's What kind of radio does it have in it?
The Nakamichi.
Nice. Pretty clean car though. I mean, clean for the age and everything else. This one has a subwoofer in it, right?
Correct.
All right. Nice. Will it beep if I don't put on my seatbelt?
Oh no, you're fine.
Okay. Okay. The only problems that we're having, or he's had with this, is it came like this. But since he uses, what do we call those things?
Bluetooth FM transmitter?
Yeah. A Bluetooth FM transmitter. Doesn't really matter. He just said his channel and he's done to it. Has outside temp 72 degrees on the 10th of April. Pretty nice at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Give her some gas. Ooh, Lexus V8 power. Rawr. Okay, let's go for a ride. Yeah. But nice riding, smooth car. Just purrs. Stereo sounds pretty good. Air conditioner works on this thing. Moonroof. That one's a little leaky though.
Yeah.
They need to clean the tracks out. There's a pin up top. We'll show you guys in a video how you clean the pins out. Little rattle.
No, it's up here.
Oh, it's a sunroof. Special. You want to just turn around here? Or not on dirt?
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah, he's braking and it's not pulling to the right or left. All right, let's see a little bit what this thing does. Enough to get up and go. Good job. No, speed limit. It's 25. This is the same boy that did. What did you do?
82 and a 35.
Special.
Oh yeah.
Reminds me of me. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm going to college at Nyack. I'm doing automotive up there. Work 3 jobs, go to high school still, that's about it.
Yeah, graduate this year, just turned 18.
Yep.
And isn't that right that you have a another Lexus?
Yeah, we don't talk about that one.
That one's coming back when? End of
Couldn't tell
April?
ya. End of April, May, something like that.
Yep. And that one's an IS350. Because he sold Izzy, the IS250, to us.
Oh, my mic's off.
Well, thank God I got my mic. Put yours back on. There you go. But he sold us Izzy, the blue Lexus, in July last year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we bought him for selling it to us. The money went to him, and he went and bought an IS350.
Yep.
And those ones, what engine does that one have?
The 2GR FSC.
Yeah, and the heads go out, the head gaskets go out right around 200,000. Mm-hmm. So that kind of sucks. But it's a nice fucking car.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice car. Once you get the IS350 back,
Yep.
you're going to put this one down for a while?
Yeah.
Drive that one?
Yep.
During the summertime only, right?
Yep.
Good little horsepower there.
Oh, yeah.
But then you have more plans with this one though, right?
Yeah.
Get it wrapped or something like
Yeah.
that. I don't know. But we'll go through it. I'm trying to convince this good-looking young man right here
Jesus Christ.
to get his own YouTube channel going, which I think you're going to, right?
Eventually, yeah.
Sometime this year.
Yep.
But I'll make sure that we link it up to ours. And he's going to do nothing but car cruises and stuff like that, and car shows and all the fun stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys take care of each other. Be kind to one another. And again, if you're a new subscriber, go ahead and like this. Go ahead and subscribe if you would. I would really appreciate it. Help us out. You guys take care.